So hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the C programming playlist and I have uploaded first video which is the overview of the course as you guys can see here. And I'm just telling you again and again, in the first video also I have said many times that this playlist is going to be very much helpful for the beginners, for the intermediate level, for all level of programmers who wants to practice many problems in C programming, who wants to sharpen their knowledge there, who wants to go in a deeper section, who doesn't know anything about ABCD of programming. So this playlist is going to be very much helpful for everyone. So I would really suggest you guys to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because I am going to upload one by one videos in a frequent manner, and will try to solve a lot of problems using C language, so that we could have a good understanding that how to use those syntax, how to use the C language to solve problems. Okay, so let's just start. So to write some codes, it is very much needed to set an environment first, and I am going to show you the thing in this video. In the second video we are going to use VS Code, the Visual Studio Code. So if you do not have that one, please do watch this video and learn how to customize your VS Code so that you could write codes in an efficient manner in any kind of language. Okay, so we are going to set the VS Code for C language right now, and in this playlist. And another thing is, I would really advise you guys to put this link. Okay, I will definitely copy this link in the description, so try to bookmark it. Okay, then let's start. First of all, we have to just write VS Code, and then VS Code will be coming up. Okay, code.visualstudio.com. so download for Windows, we are going to download this. So by default, okay, so this is going to be downloaded, and I am just trying to save it in my desktop. Okay, and along with this we need Mingw, which is a compiler. So to download it, I'm going to the site sourceforge.net. okay, so I'm going to press the download button. So the download is going to be started soon. Yeah, so we can see here. So I'm going to put it in my desktop. Okay, I guess everything has been downloaded, so we don't need all these tabs. Okay, and now first of all let's just install it. So this is the one, and then next, and then next. Okay, so here I'm going to create a desktop icon, and mandatorily you guys just check both of them and then install it. Okay, it will take few minutes, and I'm going to fast forward it. Yeah, so now it's installed, and let's just open it up first. Okay, so after that just minimize it, and let's install the Mingw. It might take some time, so let's just skip things. Okay, so now let's go to continue, and here we are going to install. I'm going for only C, not only C, and I'm going for C++ also, because I'm installing for my own. So C and C++, and then installation, and then apply changes and apply. So it is going to take few minutes. So it is being installed, and right now let's quit. So now everything has been installed, and now we are going to the C drive, and then Mingw, and then bin, and now let's just copy it, and then env system editor. Okay, system environment variables, then environment variables. Okay, so now I'm going for the path, and then new, and then paste it, and then okay, and again okay, and then okay. Now everything has been set. Okay, so now let's create a like the programming language. So I'm creating a folder here, and then right click, and then open with code, so that we have a fresh, and do click the I trust. Okay, so here this is the extension, and for C and C++ you have to just download this C and C++ anything. Okay, so you need to install this extension for the VS Code. Okay, so as I have downloaded already and installed, so it is showing the uninstall option, but in your case it will be showing the install option. So just do click there and do install. And another one is Code Runner. This is also you need to install, so that you could have this option to run the codes. Okay, and after that, to have this kind of classy theme, which you can see in my case, so I am using the Cobalt 2 theme official. This is my favorite one, that's why I'm using it. Okay, so you if you want, you can install it. Okay, another one is Prettier, which formats your code in a format, pretty format. So for that I use this extension. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. So these 4 extensions are needed when you are going to write the C programming code. Okay, after that you need to change few things, so that you could have a good accessibility in the VS Code. Okay, so run in terminal. So here when you search for it, so you must do check this thing. Okay, check this thing, the run in terminal option. And then another one is mouse wheel. So here mouse wheel zoom, so that when we will be writing some codes, now for example if I write 1.c, let me just so here you can see that when I am just pressing the control along with the mouse wheel, okay, so it's just zooming and zooming out. So this option would be enabled when you check this. Okay, now another option is like for example, I'm just copy paste my thing right now. If you are not understanding anything, it is obviously it is very it is obvious that you won't be understanding all these things in a well manner, but after a while you will be used to handle all these things. So just don't worry and follow my instructions. Okay, now another one is, for example, keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so code runner. Okay, so here the run code, you can see that I have changed this shift space. In your case it would be ctrl alt n. So how I have changed it, just go to the edit option and then shift space, press enter, and then shift space will be enabled. Okay, this is the sources user, but another one is set by the extension by default, Ctrl Alt M, Ctrl Alt K, Ctrl Alt J. So here I have used it for my own comfortness. If you are comfortable with the default one, then you do not need to change, but if you want to change, then you can change by your own. Okay, so shift space is my comfort zone, that's why I'm using it. Okay, now so this is the thing, this is the way you can download it, set up the things. Now let's just check either everything is working or not. I am just writing a C code. Okay, basic C programming, hash include, everything we are going to understand, so don't worry. So I'm just running it. So yeah, code with Pritam Pearl is the output. So everything is working fine. You can also so you can see that shift space is showing there also. So if you click there, all the things will be coming up here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the way you can download and install and set up the VS Code. In this way you need to set up your things. If you are following this playlist, I am recommending again and again, do hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. People used to come and watch the video, but if you want to follow the whole playlist, I would definitely recommend you to go through this playlist link which is given in the description, and bookmark it in your tab, in your bookmark bar, and also do hit the subscribe button. You must do all these things. So this is the thing, this is the ending part of the video. This is the thing which I wanted to show in this video. In the next video we will be starting the C programming introduction. Okay, so this much for today guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.